Hi everyone, welcome to Learning with Mrs. Evans. Today I would like to show you how to make an Adobe Spark post. Now when you go to the Adobe Spark website, you'll find a plus symbol at the top of your screen. If you click on it, you will see the three options you have within the Adobe Spark software. You can make a post, a page, or a video. Today we'll be making a post. So click on the green plus and wait for it to start. Now, a post is basically an image with text on it. We'll be using Adobe Post today to make an I will statement about your learning goals for this year, for 2018. So you can either start from scratch, meaning you create everything by yourself, or you can pick a template. Now, there are a variety of templates down the bottom. You scroll down and have a look. And if you don't like any of the ones on the screen, you can use the arrow at the side to click through and choose an image or a design, a template that you like. I'm going to have a quick look, and I like this one. So we just wait for it to load, and it will come up with the template that we can edit. Now on your page, you've got the picture, you've got text, you've got some different icons and links you can click on. Now we want to change the words because we're not doing a Christmas one. Double click on the words and delete that by highlighting it and pressing backspace, or delete, and type in I will. Now you need to think of a goal you want to set for this year. I will learn my times tables. I will sit still on the floor. I will get better at spelling. I will... Ooh, it's hard to think of one. What would you do? It's got to be something you really, really want to work on. I will get better at my spelling. Full stop. And you press done. And automatically the text that you just typed up will come up in this box. And I want to change the text on this one. So I'm going to click on it, double click to get back in to edit it, delete it, highlight and backspace, and I'm going to say in 2018 because that's when I want to do it. I will get better at my spelling in 2018. Now it's not a Christmas post, so we want to change this picture. Now remember, everything on an Adobe Post template can be changed. So to change the picture, I click on the picture and I go replace. And over here are my options. I can upload a photo, so if you've got a photo on your iPad or your device that you'd like to use, that's fine. Otherwise, find free photos. And I want to put in the words spelling because that is what I am writing about. Press enter. We'll see if there's any photos about spelling. I don't really like any of those pictures. Oh, this one's okay. Take more photos. If you don't like that, go back to replace and you might want to write school. Press enter and see if it comes up with other choices. Here's one of a chalkboard. If you don't like it, you can replace it again and choose something else. Picture over so we can see it. I will get better at my spelling in 2018. Now we've got an image and our text, and we can just change the design if we like. So click on design. This gives you all the options for the different types of text formatting you'd like. It still says I will get better at my spelling, and it still has the same image, but the formatting of the print is different. So you choose one you like. Go through and have a look at all of them. And when you've found one you like, I actually like the first one, you keep it. When you're done, you can download it and it will save your post. What we're going to do with your post is make it our desktop image on our iPads this year. I will get better at my spelling in 2018. Thank you for listening.